Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and thanks so much for checking in for another video on this channel. Today I will be going over the electronic parking brake, which is now on almost all new Toyota models. Please note that this feature may not be applicable to your Toyota vehicle. Okay, let's get started. Instead of the traditional brake lever, you now have an electronic parking brake button that is typically programmed as automatic. The red light that you see on the button indicates that the parking brake is now engaged. You will also be able to tell when it is engaged via this indicator on the front dash. Please note that the US symbol for the parking brake differs from our Canadian one. The automatic feature allows the parking brake to engage when you shift into park and disengage when you shift out of park without requiring the driver to manually operate the button. You will see that when I shift out of park, the parking brake light will shut off. Now, when I shift into park again, the light will come back on, indicating the parking brake has been engaged. You can also faintly hear this process as it is happening. The same thing will happen to the indicator on the dash. As I shift the vehicle from park, the light will go away, and when I shift back into park, the light will reappear. As long as your foot is on the brake, you will be able to disengage the parking brake manually by pushing the button down. You can re-enable the parking brake by pulling the button up as long as your foot is still on the brake. By manually engaging or disengaging the parking brake like so, you will not interrupt the automatic parking brake feature. If you're finding that your parking brake is not automatic, you may be on a different setting, and I'll show you how to change this. Pull the parking brake button up and hold it in place until you see a notification on your front dash screen that says EPB, or electronic parking brake, on or on automatic. Once you see that message on your multi-information display screen, the parking brake will now be in automatic mode. And that is a little bit more about the electronic parking brake on your Toyota vehicle. This is a terrific feature for those who rarely use the traditional parking brake lever, or someone like me who never actually made it a habit to engage the parking brake manually. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.